Industrial plants utilize a multitude of rotating machinery, yet irregularities in large, high-speed rotating machinery, such as steam turbines or centrifugal compressors, can have a considerable impact on the overall operation of the plant. To mitigate such risks, it is essential to monitor the machine condition, detect signs of abnormality, analyze and diagnose the root causes, and use this information to inform efficient maintenance strategies. We are pleased to introduce Kenjin, a portable vibration analysis system designed for this purpose. Kenjin consists of a compact, lightweight data acquisition device and a laptop computer with analysis software. It is a portable vibration analysis system that can perform real-time vibration analysis of rotating machinery by inputting vibration waveform signals from the vibration monitors. The Kenjin system consists of the KJ2000B portable data acquisition device and the XJ2100 analysis software installed on a PC. The device is housed in a dedicated Kenjin case, along with cables and accessories, with additional storage space for the PC. An engineer can take the Kenjin case to the site where the vibration monitors are installed, quickly set up the system, and immediately collect and analyze the required data. The vibrations produced by rotating machinery contain a wealth of information that can be used to identify potential issues. Permanent vibration monitors are designed to continuously observe vibration amplitude and immediately issue an alarm when excessive vibrations are detected, indicating an abnormality. Vibration analysis systems, on the other hand, offer a more comprehensive insight by employing a range of analytical techniques, including spectra, orbits and vibration vectors, to pinpoint the root cause of the vibrations and identify any underlying machinery issues. The software features an intuitive, user-friendly interface, ensuring straightforward operation for users. For instance, users can display a graph by selecting the relevant icon from the analysis menu and dropping it onto the graph display area. Additionally, users can create multiple pages with different graphs and switch between them seamlessly by selecting the corresponding tab. The system is designed to process vibration waveform signals and convert them into the various graphs that are essential for the analysis and diagnosis of rotating machinery. The system can be used for analysis at a rated speed, as well as for the collection and analysis of transient data during startup and shutdown. We have provided an overview of the Kenjin system, which enables on-site vibration analysis with ease. For further information, please refer to this page on our website.